Welcome. In today's fast-paced world, managing your finances can feel overwhelming. But what if you could put your money on autopilot? Automating your finances means setting up systems that handle your bills, savings, and investments with minimal effort from you. This approach not only saves time, but also reduces stress and helps you reach your financial goals faster. In this video, we'll break down the steps to automate your finances, from setting up direct deposits to using smart tools for tracking and investing. Let's dive in and discover how you can make your money work for you effortlessly. You might wonder, why bother automating your finances? The answer is simple. Automation helps you avoid late fees, missed payments, and the temptation to spend money meant for savings. By setting up automatic transfers and payments, you ensure that your bills are paid on time and your savings grow without you having to think about it. This system also frees up mental energy, allowing you to focus on other important aspects of your life. Automation is like having a personal assistant for your money, making sure everything runs smoothly in the background. The first step in automating your finances is setting up direct deposit for your income. Most employers offer this service, allowing your paycheck to be deposited directly into your bank account. This eliminates the need to manually deposit checks and ensures your money is available immediately. With direct deposit, you can also split your paycheck between multiple accounts, such as checking and savings, making it easier to stick to your financial plan. It's a simple change that lays the foundation for further automation. Next, let's talk about automating your bill payments. Most banks and service providers allow you to set up automatic payments for recurring bills like rent, utilities, and subscriptions. By scheduling these payments, you never have to worry about missing a due date or incurring late fees. It's important to review your bills regularly to ensure the amounts are correct, but automation takes care of the routine work. This step brings peace of mind and keeps your financial life organized. Saving money can be challenging, but automation makes it much easier. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account on payday. This way, you pay yourself first, before you have a chance to spend the money elsewhere. Even small, regular transfers add up over time. Many banks let you schedule these transfers, so you don't have to remember to do it manually. Automated savings help you build an emergency fund or save for big goals without extra effort. Investing is a key part of growing your wealth, and automation can help here too. Many investment platforms allow you to set up automatic contributions to retirement accounts or brokerage accounts. By investing a set amount regularly, you take advantage of dollar cost averaging and reduce the temptation to time the market. Automated investing ensures you're consistently building your portfolio, even if you're busy or forgetful. Over time, these small contributions can lead to significant growth. Budgeting apps are powerful tools for automating your finances. These apps can track your income, expenses, and savings goals automatically by linking to your bank accounts. Some apps even categorize your spending and send you alerts when you're close to your budget limits. By using a budgeting app, you gain real-time insights into your financial habits without manual tracking. This helps you stay on top of your money and make smarter decisions. Credit cards can be convenient, but missing a payment can hurt your credit score and lead to high interest charges. To avoid this, set up automatic payments for at least the minimum amount due each month. If possible, automate full balance payments to avoid interest altogether. Most credit card issuers offer this feature through their online portals. This simple step protects your credit and keeps your debt under control. If you have loans or other debts, automating your payments is crucial. Set up automatic transfers to pay your minimums or even extra toward your principal each month. This ensures you never miss a payment and helps you pay off debt faster. Some lenders offer interest rate discounts for enrolling in autopay, so check if this is available. Automation keeps your debt repayment on track and reduces the risk of falling behind. Building an emergency fund is essential for financial security. Automate transfers to a separate savings account dedicated to emergencies. Even small, regular contributions can add up over time, giving you a safety net for unexpected expenses. By keeping this account separate and automating deposits, you're less likely to dip into it for non-emergencies. This step brings peace of mind and prepares you for life's surprises. If you like to support charities, consider automating your donations. Many organizations allow you to set up recurring contributions from your bank account or credit card. This makes giving back a regular part of your financial routine and can help you budget for generosity. Automated giving also ensures you never forget to support causes you care about, making philanthropy effortless. Utility bills like electricity, water, and internet are easy to automate. Most providers offer autopay options through their websites or your bank. By automating these payments, you avoid service interruptions and late fees. It's still important to review your bills for accuracy, but automation ensures you never miss a due date. This step keeps your household running smoothly and stress-free. From streaming services to software, subscriptions are a big part of modern life. Automate these payments to ensure you never lose access to services you enjoy. Most companies offer recurring billing, and you can manage these through your bank or credit card. Just remember to review your subscriptions periodically to cancel any you no longer use. Automation makes managing subscriptions hassle-free. Insurance is vital for protecting your assets and health. Automate your premium payments to avoid lapses in coverage. Most insurers allow you to set up recurring payments from your bank account or credit card. This ensures your policies stay active and you're always protected. Automation also helps you avoid late fees and the hassle of manual payments. If you're self-employed or have irregular income, automating your tax payments can save you from last-minute stress. Many tax authorities allow you to set up automatic estimated tax payments. This keeps you on track and helps you avoid penalties. By spreading out your tax payments, you also make budgeting easier throughout the year. Automation brings peace of mind during tax season. Saving for retirement is easier when it's automated. Set up automatic contributions to your 401k IRA or other retirement accounts. Many employers offer payroll deductions, or you can schedule transfers from your bank. By automating retirement savings, you ensure consistent progress toward your future goals. This habit can make a huge difference over time, thanks to compound interest. If you have a health savings account, HSA, or flexible spending account, FSA, automate your contributions. Many employers allow you to set up payroll deductions, or you can schedule transfers from your bank. Automated health savings help you prepare for medical expenses and take advantage of tax benefits. This step ensures you're always ready for healthcare costs. If you're saving for education, automate contributions to a 529 plan or other college savings account. Regular, automated deposits make it easier to reach your goals and take advantage of potential tax benefits. Even small amounts add up over time, especially when invested. Automation keeps your education savings on track, no matter how busy life gets. Housing is often your largest expense. Automate your rent or mortgage payments to avoid late fees and protect your credit. Most banks and landlords offer auto-pay options. By scheduling these payments, you ensure your housing is always secure and you never have to worry about missing a due date. This step brings stability to your financial life. If you're responsible for child support or alimony payments, automating them is crucial. Set up recurring transfers to ensure payments are made on time, avoiding legal issues, and maintaining good relationships. Automation also helps with budgeting, as you can plan for these regular expenses without surprises. This step keeps your obligations on track and stress-free. If you run a business, automating your finances can save you time and reduce errors. Set up automatic payroll, vendor payments, and tax filings. Use accounting software to track income and expenses automatically. Automation streamlines your operations and lets you focus on growing your business instead of managing paperwork. Tracking expenses is vital for financial health, but it can be tedious. Use apps or bank features that automatically categorize and track your spending. This gives you a clear picture of where your money goes and helps you identify areas to cut back. Automated tracking makes budgeting easier and more accurate. Set up account alerts to stay informed about your finances. Most banks let you automate notifications for low balances, large transactions, or upcoming bills. These alerts help you catch issues early and avoid overdrafts or fraud. Automation keeps you in control without constant manual monitoring. Regular financial reviews are important, but you can automate reminders for these too. Set calendar alerts or use apps that prompt you to review your budget, investments, and goals. This ensures you stay on track and make adjustments as needed. Automation helps you maintain good financial habits over time. Setting financial goals is great, but tracking progress can be tough. Use apps or bank features that automatically monitor your savings and investment goals. These tools show you how close you are to reaching your targets and can even suggest ways to speed up progress. Automation keeps you motivated and focused on what matters most. Over time, your investment portfolio can drift from your target allocation. Some platforms offer automated rebalancing, which adjusts your holdings to maintain your desired mix of stocks, bonds, and other assets. This keeps your risk level consistent and helps you stick to your investment strategy without manual intervention. If you share expenses with roommates or family, automate bill splitting. Use apps that automatically divide and collect payments for shared bills like rent, utilities, or groceries. This reduces confusion and ensures everyone pays their fair share on time. Automation makes living together financially smoother. Managing cash flow is crucial, especially if your income varies. Use automation to schedule transfers between accounts based on your cash flow needs. Some banks offer tools that analyze your spending and suggest optimal transfer times. This helps you avoid overdrafts and ensures you always have funds where you need them. Recurring transfers are a simple way to automate savings, investments, or payments. Set up these transfers through your bank or financial apps. You can schedule them weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, depending on your needs. Recurring transfers help you stay disciplined and ensure your financial priorities are always funded. Protect your financial records by automating data backups. Use cloud storage or secure apps to automatically save copies of important documents like tax returns, receipts, and account statements. This ensures you always have access to your records in case of loss or emergency. Automation keeps your financial data safe and organized. Security is a top priority when automating finances. Use automated security features like two-factor authentication, fraud alerts, and regular password updates. Many banks and apps offer these protections automatically. By enabling them, you reduce the risk of unauthorized access and keep your money safe. Generating financial reports can be time-consuming, but automation makes it easy. Use accounting software or bank features that automatically generate monthly or quarterly reports. These reports help you track your progress, spot trends, and make informed decisions. Automation saves you time and provides valuable insights. Stay in the loop by automating financial notifications. Set up alerts for bill due dates, low balances, or unusual activity. These notifications keep you aware of important events without constant checking. Automation ensures you never miss a beat in your financial life. Managing financial documents can be a hassle. Use apps or cloud storage to automatically organize and store your statements, receipts, and tax documents. Set up rules for sorting and tagging files so you can find what you need quickly. Automation keeps your paperwork under control and saves you time during tax season. Financial planning is easier with automation. Use planning tools that automatically update your projections based on real-time data from your accounts. These tools can suggest adjustments to your budget or investment strategy as your situation changes. Automation keeps your financial plan current and relevant. Even with AutoPay, it's helpful to automate bill reminders. Set up alerts for upcoming payments so you can ensure funds are available. This helps you avoid overdrafts and keeps your finances running smoothly. Automation provides an extra layer of security for your bill payments. Planning for a big purchase, like a car or vacation? Automate savings by setting up a dedicated account and scheduling regular transfers. This helps you reach your goal faster and prevents you from dipping into funds meant for other purposes. Automation makes saving for big dreams simple and effective. Some banks and apps offer round-up savings, where your purchases are rounded up to the nearest dollar and the difference is automatically saved. For example, if you spend $3.50, $0.50 is transferred to your savings account. This painless method helps you save without even noticing. Automation makes every purchase an opportunity to grow your savings. Maximize your credit card rewards by automating cashback redemptions or reward point transfers. Many cards let you set up automatic redemptions to your account or statement. This ensures you never miss out on benefits and makes the most of your spending. Automation helps you get rewarded without extra effort. Stay informed by automating your financial education. Subscribe to newsletters, podcasts, or online courses that deliver regular updates to your inbox or app. Set reminders to review new content. Automation keeps you learning and helps you make smarter financial decisions over time. If you need to close old or unused accounts, some banks offer automated closure processes. This helps you tidy up your financial life and reduce the risk of fraud. Automation ensures accounts are closed properly and you receive confirmation without manual follow-up. If you work with a financial advisor or accountant, automate the sharing of necessary documents and data. Use secure portals or apps that automatically send updates or grant access. This streamlines collaboration and ensures your team has the information they need to help you succeed. Keep your financial information current by automating updates. Many banks and apps can automatically update your contact details, linked accounts, or payment methods. This reduces the risk of missed communications or failed transactions. Automation keeps your financial profile accurate and up to date. For business owners or investors, automating compliance tasks can save time and reduce risk. Use software that automatically files required reports, tracks deadlines, and monitors regulatory changes. This ensures you stay compliant and avoid costly penalties. Automation makes compliance less of a headache. Automating your finances is one of the smartest moves you can make for your financial well-being. By setting up systems for savings, payments, investments, and more, you free up time and reduce stress. Start with 1 or 2 steps and gradually build your automation toolkit. Remember, the goal is to make your money work for you so you can focus on living your best life. Thanks for watching, and here's to your financial success.